Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to begin with the essentials, sign into your primary account, and keep that email consistent. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active and location services are enabled, because Find My relies on them. You should also give the device a recognizable name and charge it above 20% before continuing. These steps prevent delays and let the service register your phone quickly. Now, head to Settings so you can enable the specific Find features for your platform. You'll now enable the core feature on the phone. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then Find My, and turn on Find My iPhone, include Send Last Location. On Android, open Settings, choose Security or Google Settings, select Find My Device, and enable Remotely Locate this device plus allow Remote Lock and Erase. Make sure location permission and background activity are permitted so the service reports position even when the app isn't open. This improves accuracy and response. You should verify the setup immediately. Open the companion app or website and locate the device so you confirm position and controls work. Once verified, set a lock message or phone number and try play sound, lock, or erase to learn the options. If the phone doesn't appear, check that you're signed into the correct account, that location and network are enabled, and whether the device recently lost power. If needed, reboot the phone or re-enable permissions. These steps usually resolve connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.